Check. Memphis. It's a resolution.
Growing up in the jungle, I had to learn how to eat. I fought with lions, tigers, and birds, that's why I'm a beast. I got the heart of a monster, never suffered defeat. Quick on my feet, looking for a new opponent to beat. It's wartime, you should retreat before these bombs are released. Just call me Hitler in the booth, watch them surrender to me. Hustle hard and show no love, what I was taught in the streets. So I laced my chucks, jumped in the ring like who wanted with me? Okay, I'm from the bottom of the city where you never really see much success. The only motherfuckers doing good is the niggas selling dope while we over here without shit. It gets cold, so we standing around the store looking at each other, asking motherfuckers like, what's next? Get a job, see a dope pimp, hoes, anything to come up, cause being broke, I'm like, fuck that. Nah, fuck this, I'm the hottest in my city, like, see how many niggas can't touch this. Show me anybody that you think is better, come and put him on the top, and like I watch him get his throat slit. Sober nigga full of dopeness, take a hit and you a choke, bitch. Got a nigga spin fire, you couldn't deny a nigga like me, not a whole damn city like, oh shit. Call me the kid, this my school, and you ain't seeing me. The fire that I spit will burn your ass to the 3rd degree. I had to change it up and curve this music like the letter C. Why you trying to get radio play? I'm making history, but his story don't weigh up to the stuff that everybody see. A gangster in the booth, but a sucker in reality. Trying to impress another man, that shit don't fly with me. Matter of fact, go hang out where the faggots be. My mind is gone, now I have a pen and pad in the place of it. I crucify rap and put hip-hop back in replace of it. All I do is write, my flow ecstatic, delivered gracefully. You saying that hip-hop dead, that's cause you dudes still on that basic shit. I'm mastering this craft and now these niggas begging me to quit. You might say I sound cocky, I just say I'm highly confident. They move me from the table with all you rookies to where the legends sit. I drink and drive cause that's the only competition I'ma get.
Young and reckless, motherfucker.